Hello! Today, well, if you follow on from last video, today is the day of the truck run. North Tyne Christmas truck run. Gonna go up early so I can get a camera set up with a tripod and get videos of everyone rolling in. There's supposed to be 128 trucks going, and that's if everyone turns up, so it's gonna be a big do. Nameplate, courtesy of Sean at AV Taylors. Haha! Thank you for that, Sean. I know it was a pain, and you tore out all your hair. Well, just cleaned up, cleaned the glass, cleaned the dash, got my tinsel in for Christmassy. Some tinsel on the back as well. One donut. Yeah. Let's head on up the road. A little bit of POV driving for a few minutes. Don't hit the curb. I'm gonna get through that, probably not. Yes, I will. There we go. We're flying. That's the problem with this box now, it's buggered. Or since I think the synchro's into 5th and 6th on knackered. Oh, is that Royster? Bungalow. She drives lovely like. I think I might have been wheelie driving that HPL there actually. Where's your window? There it is. Right, I'll call the video this little POV here, and I'll come back to you when we're up there. Well, we're here. I'm a little bit later to the party, but we're here. That's the main thing. For a wander.
All the timber pumps at the front. You can tell that's a big boy dash. It's a 510 double drive. Ah, lovely. This is the line I followed in. You'll struggle with light against the forward light.
We're struggling for light now, but some V8 noise in for you. We're really struggling with light, but you get to see all the other lights.
Don't think so.
Smile, Mike, you're on camera. just about time to go. This is going to be a good run, isn't it? Got a 143 grinders. The headlights are like candlesticks. Useless.
Boogie away down the hill.
I'm hoping that it'll stay there while we roll through the town so you can see what it's like. Stay there. Stay with me, Poppy. These cheap air horns are getting a hell of a workout. They're making people happy and they're making me happy, so that's good. Better turn the CB down, there's a bit of effing and jeffing going on like. Look at all them people, man, wow! Ooh, I've got the V8 behind us now. Little V8, 143 straight, the straight pipe on behind me. Oh yes. Well, we've made it. We're in Hexham again. There she is. Show you who's behind us. He's just pulled up behind us. So, let's have a quick wander around. And I think, to be honest, I'll get myself away. I didn't want to be here too long.
same the wagons, not the vans now. How did it go on? Alright. Smile for the camera.
Hello, Philip.
Hello. There's Oscar. Didn't expect to see you here.
Everyone's parked up now. I'm heading back up.
Back to the wagon. Okay, you take it doing the back.
We're going to do in the back.
Maybe go.
Still got a soft stop for them since passing me testing one like. Fancy seeing you again? Yeah. I'll try and get some footage. Ooh, I've got light here. Don't use the horns here. They've got livestock. Here we are.
a few people are getting away, like. I want to come see this 143 that's behind me.
It sounded lovely, like. Sorry you can't see us, the light's awful. Oh, there we go, kind of see.
Here we are.
So unfortunately, because the light's so awful, you can't really see it. I do have a soft spot for a 143.
Do you remember the video where I went up to Lewis's and I said his dad's got a 5 Series? If she is. That's Lewis's, which you saw in the video. That's Rob Dodds. Is he?
Because of the narrow bridge, me and him thought, I thought we got through and up this hill like that, fans like that. And they knew we were getting up there, man. So he's doing it, I'm doing it, switched on. The 80s and 90s, these were considered big wagons. Now look at them.
I know. It's like when you put the F7 next to the ERF. You just drove the F7.
Yeah.
And that's it. We're back home. We're parked up in the yard. Turn her off. Oh, and there's Mr. Natris. Oh, hold on. I did have a bit of a panic at one point because coming out of Leaplish and Kielder, as I pulled out, it lost all throttle. I don't know why, the throttle just wasn't doing anything. So I need to investigate that before I take it again, but that's it for this year. That was a very good run. Great to be a part of. Lots of people sitting out on the streets waving and horns going everywhere, and it was great. It was great. Really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it. It was really, very good. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe if you want to see more of the wagon, more driving videos, stuff like that. Brilliant. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all soon.